Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. For the first one, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 minus sin x. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, you got about du equal to negative cosine x dx. First derivative of sin x, you got about cosine x. Because we have the negative, so you got about negative in here. Number 1, you got about 0. Because we don't have negative sign in here, so I will put the negative next to du. So this one we change by u. Cosine x dx we change by negative du. The integration of this one, you got about negative ln of the absolute value of u. And we put about c. About u, that's about 1 minus sin x. And we put about c. Now, we do similar for the second one. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sin x minus 1. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. And you got about cosine x dx. So this one we change by u. Cosine x dx we change by du. The integration of this one, you got about ln of the absolute value of u. And we put about c. About u, that's about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.